Hello and welcome. This is Michelle with PaperStampInk. Thanks for stopping by. So today I'm sharing with you about my paper share. I know many of you have been waiting for the details on this announcement. Now, while I'm explaining the paper share as well as the bonuses that you can receive when you order your paper shares, I'm going to just go ahead and flip through some of this designer series paper so that you can get another look at it while we're visiting. I don't have all of the designer series papers here. I have a good selection. As demonstrators, we're allowed to pre-order, but we can't pre-order everything either. So I still am waiting to get my hands on some of the beautiful paper that I have been able to see from the catalog preview that we get. So there is some gorgeous paper coming in addition to what I have here. So if you're not familiar with a paper share, what a paper share is it is a way to get sampling of the designer series paper. So rather than you having to buy all of the different varieties of paper, and in this I've got 14 different designer series papers. So you could invest in 14 full-size packs and it probably run you, depending on where you live in sales tax, anywhere from $190 to $200. So I've got a better deal for you than that. Trust me on that. So if you want to do that, great, that's wonderful. I would be happy to help you set up an order where you can also earn some Stampin' rewards, or better yet, sign up as a demonstrator where you can get a discount all year round. And I am happy to help you through that process, whether you want to be a discount shopper or you're interested in growing a Stampin' Up! Business. So with my paper shares, I do mine a little bit differently than some of the other demonstrators out there. I focus on cards, and I think a lot of you do as well. And so rather than 6x6 pieces of paper, I am cutting mine down into 4x6 sheets of paper. Now this is going to allow me to give you pieces that are really close to the card base, and I've got some great ideas on how you can use these, but it's going to have less waste. It's also going to make these much more economical for you to purchase. And I think, I love to save money where I can. And then that way you can turn around and invest in the ones that you really love the most in those full-size packs. So again, they're going to be 4x6 sheets of each of the double-sided paper. So you're going to get a total of 87 4x6 sheets. So that's going to include not just the regular designer series paper that's beautiful as it is, it's also going to include the specialty designer series paper, which if you didn't catch that as I was thumbing through, one of those is this beautiful mosaic. Can you see the shine and the shimmer on those? These are raised and it has this beautiful mosaic pattern and just that extra shine on there. So includes that, as well as the Noble Peacock, which is one I don't have yet, but I cannot wait to get my hands on that. I've seen samples of it from the catalog that I've been able to preview, and you guys are going to love that when it comes out. It also is going to include the vellum paper, one piece of 3 different colors here that we have. Actually, I think the vellum, there's 2 pieces of each color that you're going to get with this. So beautiful paper that coordinates with the Perennial Essence paper, designer series paper. You're also going to get 3 sheets, one of each color, of the Noble Peacock foil paper. So lots of beautiful paper that you're going to receive. Now I have 3 options for you to purchase. The first one is to get 87 pieces of 4x6, and don't worry about writing all this down. I'm going to put a link. It's going to be over my blog, this sheet with all the details. But that is going to be $27.50, which includes tax and shipping straight to your door. The other option is going to be to purchase the designer series paper share plus a cardstock share. So with this option, you are going to get 87 pre-cut card bases that are going to coordinate with the colors in the designer series paper. That's going to make it's so much easier for you to just get right on to creating cards, because you're going to have all that beautiful coordinating cardstock. Now, when you order that paper share, you get 2 bonuses from me. One is a PDF tutorial of 6 card layouts that's going to highlight the beautiful DSP, as well as exclusive private access to a video tutorial regarding those layouts and showing you how I put those cards together. The second bonus you're going to get is you're going to get 1 yard of each of the new in color ribbons. Now here is one of them. This is one of the new in colors. Isn't that gorgeous? This is the Pretty Peacock, and I just love this color. So one side is just that linen, and let me hold this up so you guys can, camera's having a hard time focusing here. Let's see. There, that's a little bit better. Maybe. So it's got a lot of detail. I love this dainty scalloped edge. So you would get 1 yard of each of the new in color ribbons. So 5 yards total. Now, my third option, if you really love that DSP like I do, you can get a double share. So that gets you 2 sheets of each of those designer series paper. And so this one also includes the same bonuses, and both of that designer series paper share and cardstock plus the double share are $50, including tax, shipped priority mail to your door. Now, how do you reserve your share? You're going to email me at paperstampink@gmail.com. Include your full name, mailing address. This is only available in the U.S. per Stampin' Up! Rules. Indicate which shares you would like to receive. Email me your address for PayPal invoicing, and you do not have to have a PayPal account to pay a PayPal invoice. So you can still use your debit or credit card. If you don't want to set up a PayPal account, don't worry, you don't need to do that. Now, the timing of these, I'm going to be trying to send the invoices out to you within 24 hours of receiving your email, but I will send them no later than May 31st. Payment must be received by June 3rd to reserve your share. I will be placing an order on June 4th, which is the first day to order from the new catalog. Items are going to arrive to me, and I'll prepare them for shipping, and they'll be mailed to you via priority mail by June 20th. That's assuming there are no back orders from Stampin' Up! So these shares are limited. Make sure you get your reservation in early. As one share fills, I'll open another based on demand. Email me with any questions at paperstampink@gmail.com, and I am looking forward to sharing some great ideas and sharing the beautiful papers that we have coming out with this new catalog. Whatever your card making style is, there is going to be some papers that you are going to just adore in here. So until I see you again, don't forget to grab your paper Stampin' Ink and make something creative and share it with someone you love.